Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. And now you all are in which term? We are in, yes, term 2. And you have new and interesting lessons also. So before begin with the session, I'll show you something. Yes, what it is? Teddy bear, right? Isn't it cute? Yes, can you describe it? Of course, it is a teddy bear. And in your grammatical term, teddy bear is known as a noun. Now, can you describe this teddy bear? Yes, it is very cute. Then, it is soft. It is in yellow color. Right? What we did now? We described this noun with many describing words. And these describing words are known as adjectives. And this is your new chapter in your grammar. Okay, this is chapter number 10, adjectives. So shall we begin our lesson? So, adjectives always tell us more about the noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming part. It may be a person, it may be any animal, it may be anything, or it may be any place, right? We can describe any noun by its size, shape, color, quality, texture, number, and many more other qualities. One more important thing is, a noun may have more than one adjectives. So what does it mean? In the beginning of the session, I showed you a teddy bear. How I described it? A soft teddy bear, yellow teddy bear. So soft is also an adjective and yellow is also an adjective. And our noun is only one. That was our teddy bear. But we have two adjectives for this single noun. This is the meaning of this sentence. Let us understand this concept with more examples. Here you can see a noun, elephant. Elephant is described with many adjectives like huge elephant, grey elephant, strong elephant, kind elephant. Here, huge is describing its size, grey is describing its color, strong and kind are describing its qualities. In the same way, we have another noun, that is cake. So, this cake can be described as delicious cake, fluffy cake, moist cake, round cake, chocolate cake, and many more words. So here the noun is single, but the describing words are more than one. It means describing words means adjectives. Also, look at the example of the elephant. Here I have used an adjective called huge elephant. In place of huge, I can make use of large also. It means huge can be replaced with large. Huge elephant or large elephant. In the same way, if I take the example of this delicious cake, delicious can be replaced as tasty or yummy. So I can describe it as yummy cake or tasty cake or delicious cake. So it means what? These three words are giving us the same meaning, but words are different. So these kind of words are called synonyms. So please repeat with me everyone. Synonyms means different words with same meaning. Let us understand these synonyms with more examples. Look at the picture of this baby. How can you describe it? Small baby, little baby, or tiny baby? Here the meaning of small, little and tiny are same. So words are different but meaning is same. In the same way, let us look at the example of this flower. We can describe these as many flower, lots of flowers, plenty of flowers. So all these are giving us the same meaning, but words are different. With this basic idea of adjectives and synonyms, I hope you all can solve this quiz. Here I have given some sentences for you. In each sentence, you have to recognize which is the adjective. Okay? So the first sentence is, I had a delicious pizza. Second one is, the kid is playing with 2 toys. Third one is, the students of grade 2 are very smart. Yes. Let us cross check your answers. First one is, I had a delicious pizza. Here the adjective is delicious. And in the second one, 2 toys, because it is talking about the number. And in the third one, it is smart. It is showing us the quality. So delicious, 2 and smart are the adjectives. Your second quiz is, can you give synonym for the below given adjectives? Here adjectives are already given. You have to give the synonyms. So first one is clean, second one is clever, and third one is sick. I hope you all are having your answers. Let us cross check your answers. For clean, we can say spotless. For clever, we can say smart or intelligent. And for sick, we can say ill or unwell. I hope this video will help you all to understand adjectives easily. Thank you so much everyone.